when darkness finally meets the light, so we can make a new one.
Nothing but the proof of what I am, the worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it, my head was twisted. This is what it sounds like. I'll find your harmony, feel it and undefined. This is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Feel it and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.
I definitely feel recharged.
Me too. I thought I wanted couch, but I think couch can wait.